Hi everyone, I'm Derval Lyons from DocuSign University, and today I will talk about navigating XML nodes to help configure CLM workflow steps. Navigating XML nodes or data points is key for configuring workflow steps. The fields on your document generation form translate into XML data. And this XML data is structured inside the params variable, also known as params container. Let's take a look at how we can navigate. Params has a structure related to the fields on your DocGen form. Schema here equals structure. Template field data, a subnode under params, holds all customer and contract data from your DocGen form. Note how your DocGen form fields sit under the template field data node in your XML. Next, let's generate a sales contract to figure out how XML navigation and workflow step configuration are connected. We fill in our DocGen form with customer and contract data. Note the data for effective date and customer name. To save us time, I filled in some fields in advance. CLM generates the sales contract. The specific customer name is shown in blue. Note the effective or activation date also in the third paragraph. The customer-specific data values appear in the generated contracts. They are also passed into the workflow in XML format as the workflow launches and runs. The captured values are clearly visible via the activity view in the variables and values column. Navigating the XML to find the necessary data requires a grasp of nodes. The words node and not are actually closely connected. So think of being a free diver using rope knots or nodes for navigation when diving, to descend and ascend via the nodes. In our case, we navigate the XML nodes to configure our CLM workflow steps. A quick reminder about variables. Variables are containers to hold data. Check out my video on our DocuSign community page, Understanding CLM Variables, for more info. In an update variable value step, you set up a variable like effective date to capture the kickoff date of an agreement. Select the variable you are setting up or configuring first. Here it is effective date. We are at the variable level on the left, and here's our choice on the right of all our data containers. We scroll down until we find effective date. We click, we get a green tick, and we apply. You next tell CLM exactly where in the XML it will find a specific value for effective date for every single customer contract you are processing. It will be present underneath the template field data node. So let's click on the unknown X and let us expand params to click on the template field data level. Then we can search for effective date as a node. We want the formatted date version. When you see the icon, click, get a green tick, and apply. That's your method for setting up the effective date container so that it reads from the XML. Navigating XML nodes to configure workflow steps ultimately enables us and CLM to manipulate data for workflow automation. I hope you found this tip useful. Join us for a DocuSign University CLM instructor-led course to learn more. We offer courses to suit all time zones. I work in the Europe, Middle East, Africa time zone, but I love seeing US-based customers join our morning and afternoon sessions sometimes to suit their work schedule. And it's a joy to have customers join from Southeast Asia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Hop on to our DocuSign University page to sign up. I look forward to welcoming you in session.